Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install MEMORIAPOLIS game on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Just open up your end browser and just search for the Steam. Once you search for it, now the Steam website will appear on the top. Just click on the Steam website to open it. Now here you will see the login option on the right hand top. Just click on the login option and here just log into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. And once you create the account, then click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam and log into your account. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the game name, which is the Memory Police, and this game will appear on the top. So just click on that game. And now here in this page, just scroll down, you'll see the option of add to cart. So you just need to click on the option of add to cart, and once you click on that, now click on the option of view my cart option. And now here just click on the option of continue to payment, and now here just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So guys, once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the Steam library, and on the left hand side you will find the game. Just click on that, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.